Hello guys, how are you guys doing today? Thank you for joining me again for another video. I'm Josephine, but I'm known as JojoFine01. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. Hey, yeah, to my old and new subscriber, thank you guys. If you're a new subscriber, you're welcome to the family. We're happy to have you here with us. Yeah, today we have a visitor. Carl is right here. Everybody say hey Carl. Hey baby. Yes, I know you are right there. Love you. Anyway guys, let's just jump into this video. I want to do 2 videos today by God's grace. I want to do a skincare after this. Okay, let's just quickly, I'm going to be using some new products today. Yeah, I think it's going to be like a full face new product. Let me just say something like that. I'm going to be using some product by Physician Formula. I don't know if I'm going to cut this video into 2 or I might just wrap it in 1. So this is like a first impression type of video that I'm going to be doing today. So just stay tuned guys, you are going to have fun. Yeah, so like I said, I'm going to be popping out like videos every now and then. I'm trying to be consistent on this YouTube channel guys. Yeah, so let's just jump into the video before Carl decides to wrap it up. All right, the Physician Formula Rose All Day Oil Free Serum. It smells nice. This feels really good. For foundation, I'm going to be using this new to me, this is my first time of trying it, the Mercier Flawless Foundation, and I'm using the shade Nutmeg 5C1. What does this foundation say? Formula lightweight. Okay, yeah, because I was going to say this is not full coverage. This feels like lightweight, medium to full coverage. I think you can build up the coverage of this foundation. Give you 15 hours of moisture. So this is, you can wear it for 15 hours. And we're wearing this for 15 hours because it's locked down, nobody's going anywhere. By Mercier, the shade 5N. This concealer, I actually like this concealer. It's very hydrating underneath the eyes, so creamy, like no joke. This is creamy. Dab it in. Okay, this looks good guys. I used this powder on my previous video and I can't really say that I like it like 101%, but this is the only powder I have right here. I'm going to use it again. This is the Brown Melanin Makeup Loose Powder. The Physician Formula, they sent me a bronzer and I don't think this bronzer can work because the shade might not be right. Like a sponge inside of it, so you can see this shade is not. Try it, see if it's going to show up on my skin, or I should do a cream bronzer first. Anyway, let me just quickly do a cream bronzer, then I can use that all over my face. Let me not just blame it on the bronzer because I don't know. Physician Formula bronzer, the shade Descent. I'm going to take that. I'm going to just apply this lightly on my face. This is not showing up. Oh, it smells so good though. Oh, it looks like a face powder on me. This is not working. Anyway, I'm going to take the Makeup Revolution bronzer. I'm going to take a little bit of that, dust it, and use this to give myself life a beg. For eyebrow, I'm using this pencil by Kevyn. I'm going to use the Gerardcosmetics eyeshadow primer in the shade medium. So I'm going to use the Physician Formula eyeshadow palette. This shade right here, and that's the gap. Shadow is pigmented. I'm using a little bit. So now I'm going to take this shade right here. Just going to tap it in. Oh wow. Oh wow. It's not really a color palette I would normally go for, but the pigmentation is wow. This eyeshadow is really like smooth. On the front of the eyes. This, I'm drawn to this two shades right here. This looks so okay. Oh wow. Wow. What? Going in like buttermilk. Oh, the formula is amazing. Take the lighter shade right here. I just use that. So that is the eyes done. I'm going to line my eyes. I'm going to use the Physician Formula eyeliner. This is the eye booster eyeliner trio. This on my waterline. Brand new formula. Like, this is so soft. Can you see the pigment of that? This is Velour lashes. Lash glue I use is Case Lash Glue. Quality of their eye products is really nice. To dust off the excess powder on my face quickly. To remove that powder effect, I'm going to spray my face. I'm going to use the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray by Charlotte Tilbury. First time of using this. This feels amazing and it smells so good. This is like a Longwear setting spray. 16 hours. Charlotte Tilbury. Sets for up to 16 hours. I'm just going to line my lip using the previous place called Sweet Nothing. So I'm going to take this lipstick by NARS. It's a bit too plump. Stop with this lipstick by Guerlain. Open up by pushing here, then you open this way. It has a mirror. Mercier highlighter. luminizer. It's just like this. Beautiful. The right color. What shade is this? I'm going to leave the shade at the description bar. I'm trying to rush because my battery is almost dying. No. Yeah. That is that. Okay guys, this is the final look. This is how the face is looking. I will recommend the Physician Formula eyeshadow palette. Is really good. The formula is amazing. I will highly recommend this. And for the foundation, I use Mercier. It was really nice, and as you can see, it's flawless on the face. I can't do a wear test, so if you want a wear test, like a full review, let me know at the comment section. If you have more questions on the products I've used today, because I have to go and my battery is almost dying, let me know at the comment section. Just ask me and I will explain the product further for you guys. So all right, I'm tired now.